आज म तपाईहरुलाई यो जेन्डर रोल्स को नोट को बारेमा म आज तपाईहरुलाई बताउने छु। मेन आइडिया अनि मेन थीम को बारेमा चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई बताउने छु। यो जेन्डर रोलमा चाहिँ च्याप्टर 4 जेन्डर रोल्समा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले चाहिँ 7 वटा कुराहरु चाहिँ यो 7 वटा लेसनहरु चाहिँ तपाईले पढ्नु पर्ने छ। म तपाईलाई बताउने छु। 1 मा चाहिँ सेक्स रोल्स Hamilton, McCubbin and Barbara Blondal. 2 ma Boys Will Be Boys, Barbara Kantrowitz and Claudia Kalb. 3 ma Sex, Size and Conversation, Deborah Tannen. 4 ma Women Have What It Takes, Carol Barklow. And opposing view ma चाहिँ Bill Norton. 5 ma The Androgynous Male, Noel Perrin. 6 ma The Princess and the Admiral, Charlotte Pomegranate. The Greater God, Rakesh Rathi. यो 7 वटा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले यो च्याप्टर 4 जेन्डर रोल्समा चाहिँ तपाईले 7 वटा लेसनहरु चाहिँ तपाईले के रे पढ्नु पर्ने छ। माथिको यो 3 टा चाहिँ 1 2 3 चाहिँ कोर रिडिङ रहेको छ भने यो 4 5 6 7 चाहिँ तपाईको एडिशनल रिडिङ रहेको छ। यो जेन्डर रोल्सलाई सपोर्ट गर्नको निम्ति चाहिँ यो 4 वटा पछाडीको 4 वटा चाहिँ सपोर्टको निम्ति चाहिँ यो टेक्स्ट लेसन राखिएको छ। यहाँ लेसन 1 मा रहेको छ सेक्स रोल्स, Hamilton, McCubbin and Barbara Blondal. Question 1 ma rakha, what is the main subject that the authors discuss in the reading? In the lesson Sex Roles, Hamilton, McCubbin and Barbara Blondal focus on the biological, cultural and social origins of sex roles. They address the question of whether traditional sex roles are the product of nature, nurture or some combination of the two. The authors stress that research into hormonal effects on the emotional development and behavior of females and males is in its early stages. While such research does suggest a biological basis for gender differences, social and cultural factors are likely more important. A sex role refers to the patterns of feeling and behavior deemed appropriate or inappropriate for a female or male. Gender identity refers to a person's concept of self as a male or female. This identity is often shaped by the internalization of traditional sex role assumptions. त्यसैगरी लेसन 2 मा रहेको छ Boys Will Be Boys, Barbara Kantrowitz and Claudia Kalb. Question 2 रहेको छ What is the main point the authors make in the article? In their article Boys Will Be Boys, Kantrowitz and Kalb state that boys and girls have unique stages of emotional and social development with various crisis points, and that they should be raised with their distinct needs in mind. While girls have become freer in terms of gender roles, boys have become increasingly limited by traditional masculine stereotypes, and it is thus essential for parents to help their sons break out conventional molds and channel their innate energy into passive activities. त्यसैगरी लेसन 3 रहेको छ सेक्स, साइज एन्ड कन्भर्सेसन, डिबोरा ट्यानेन. क्वेसन 3 रहेको छ According to Tannen, what are the major difference in the ways females and males use language? According to Tannen, females use language to negotiate intimacy. Language helps women share feelings, make connections, and create a sense of closeness. and harmony. In contrast, males tend to use language to preserve independence and negotiate their status. Language helps men remain the center of attention, challenge and compete with others, and demonstrate knowledge and verbal agility. त्यस्तै what is the main point Tannen makes in the article? In her article, Sex, Size and Conversation, Deborah Tannen maintains that there are gender differences in the use of language and that this often leads to frustration when women and men converse. In order to be aware of these cross-cultural differences in language use, त्यसै गरी रहेको छ लेसन 4 मा वुमन ह्याभ वाट इट टेक्स क्यारल बार्कलो एन्ड अपोजिङ भ्यू बिल नर्टन. Question 5. Write a one paragraph summary of Women Have What It Takes. In this short personal essay, Barklow, an army officer, argues that women should be allowed to engage in frontline military combat if they so choose. Reviewing some of the traditional attitudes toward women and the military, she maintains that if women have the same training as men and are as physically and mentally capable, they should be allowed to serve in all types of combat units. त्यसै गरी क्वेसन 6 मा consider the extent to which you agree with Barklow's main point or with Norton's central point in his letter to the editor. I agree with Barklow's argument that women should be allowed to engage in frontline military combat if they so choose. I also agree with her reviewing of some of the traditional attitudes toward women and the military and maintaining that if women have the same trainings as men and are as physically and mentally capable, they should be allowed to serve in all types of combat units. त्यसै गरी लेसन 5 मा रहेको छ द एन्ड्रोजिनस मेल नोएल पेरिन. क्वेसन 7 मा रहेको छ राइट अ one paragraph summary of the androgynous male. Near the beginning of this personal essay, Perrin states that there are a large number of women and men who are androgynous and that this frees them from the restrictions of traditional gender roles. He then goes on to discuss what it means to be spiritually androgynous and the freedom he has personally experienced from not having to fulfill the single ideal of the dominant male. त्यसै गरी लेसन 6 मा रहेको छ द प्रिन्सेस एन्ड द एडमिरल कार्लोट प्रोमेग्रेन्स. क्वेसन नम्बर 8 राइट अ one paragraph plot summary of the Princess and the Admiral. This fable is based on the 13th century invasion of Vietnam by Kublai Khan and his imperial navy. This Mongol emperor, known for his fierce military forces, defeated the Song dynasty of China in 1279, but his campaigns against Japan, Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries yielded in failure. In this upside down fairy tale where traditional female roles are reversed, a young princess outwits a powerful admiral and his fleet, ensuring the continuation of a century of peace in her small kingdom. This Vietnam's tale tells how Mat, the ruling princess of the tiny kingdom, outsmarts an invader to preserve her country's 100 years of peace. A man must not make unkind remarks about women or girls because they can be more competitive and more skillful than men. The princess demonstrates the forces of nature versus human weaponry, decisiveness, resourcefulness, and intelligence and cleverness versus physical force. त्यसै गरी लेसन 7 रहेको छ द ग्रेटर गड राकेश रथी. Question 9. Identify the female roles or expectations reflected in the poem The Greater God. The positive female roles and expectations reflected in the poem included divinity, gentleness, kindness, love, respect for others, center of the family, self-sacrifice, support and nourishment of others, and discipline, restricted domestic life, little social power, and slavish subservience to men, silence and excessive yielding. यो च्याप्टर 4 जेन्डर रोल्सको सबै लेसनहरू, यो 7 लेसनहरूको मेन थिमहरू, मेन पोइन्ट यति नै रहेको छ. सबै लेसनहरूको मेन पोइन्टहरू, मेन थिमहरू भनौँ अथवा मेन आइडिया यति नै रहेको छ. मैले तपाईँहरूलाई यो सर्टकट रूपमा बताएँ. अझ धेरै बुझ्नको निम्ति यो टेक्स्टको जेन्डर रोल्सको बारेमा अझ धेरै बुझ्नको निम्ति तपाईँले अझै यो यसको लेसनहरू तपाईँले पढ्दै गर्नुहोला. पढिसकेपछि तपाईँले बुझ्नुहुनेछ. हुन्छ, आजलाई यति नै. आउने समयमा म अन्य योसँग सम्बन्धित अन्य च्याप्टरको भिडियोहरू, नोटहरू म तपाईँलाई ल्याउने छु. तबसम्म मेरो यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गरिदिनु होला, सेयर गरिदिनु होला, अनि त्यसै गरी मेरो च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गर्नुभएको छ भने सब्सक्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला.